to Sylvester Stallone. I always wanted to ask why it sounded like a two-stroke, your bike.
Well, we got smoke. Why we got smoke? All right, guys, welcome to another video. I'm here in my parents' garage where my dad's got his stash of bikes, and we're going to look at one specific one that's very interesting. But I'll let him give the backstory and the overview to the bike. But yeah, I don't know what the camera's picking up right now, but we've got bikes out the wazoo here. But the bike we want is down there. So I'll get my dad over here and we'll take a look at it. But I'm on crutches, so I want to be moving a little bit slowly. So we'll see how that goes with filming.
All right, here's my baby.
Oh, you got another baby over here.
Yeah, it's my other baby here. Right. This is my old baby. This is my first bike. When did I get this bike? I got this bike almost 30 years ago.
30 years?
I rode it. I rode it for a long time. Actually, when you were a baby. When you were a baby, you're on this, right? You and your brother and your sister.
Yeah, I do remember all of us fitting on the bike.
Yeah, then eventually it ran down. I threw it in the shed, laying down there for a long time. And then probably 5 years ago, I wanted to restore it, bring back some memories.
All right, well, right? Let's have a look at it then.
So this is it, right? Fully original. The way it came out of the factory. It actually had bark busters. I even took off the bark busters to make it original.
Oh my God, on camera it looks brand new. Holy, I don't even remember it looking this good.
A bit of history. The only thing I would say that's not original, okay, is the reupholstered seat. That was all ripped and shredded, exposed sponge. The muffler itself, all rusted out. So I had to replace that. Now, bit of a story. See this side cover? Okay. This side cover, I never knew it existed on the motorbike. So what actually happened was, one day I was flicking through, when it was all completed, okay, I started flicking through some magazines, having a look at some of these original XTs, and I noticed a side cover on it. I said, what the hell? There's a side cover that's missing. So I quickly came here, right, I had a look, right, and lo and behold, there were two pinholes, right, which I said, shit, there is a side cover that belonged there. So I'm in Australia. I searched almost every motorcycle wreck in Australia. No one had that side cover. I looked in America, couldn't find it. I went to Europe, couldn't find it. And then lo and behold, I found it in South Africa. All right. It was red in colour. Okay. I think it cost me $180 to get it here into Australia. When it arrived, okay, I thought it was a piece of plastic, but it's actually made of ceramic chalk. It's almost chalky, and it's obviously chalky because it sits on top of the or a section of the muffler, so it does get very, very hot, and hence why they made it ceramic or chalk. If it was plastic, obviously it would melt, and then I realised because it's chalk, it's so brittle, and that's why you can't find them. Well, they're very, very, very rare to find. So whoever's got one, hang on to it. I value it. I you know, make sure I don't break it. I always try to protect it as best as I can. All
right, before we go on, yep. let's take it out into the outside.
I want to finish one more thing, right?
All right.
The tank had dints in it. Okay, so I actually had to get some bog. I don't know what you call it, but we call it a 2-pack mix. Okay, and I bogged it up, sanded it all down, and sprayed it again.
You'd never know.
I did stuff up one area, and that was the sticker, which is on the other side. The last part of my job, but anyway, that's it. Let's see if she starts, because I haven't started her in a very long time.
So hold on, hasn't it only been started once since the rebuild?
Yeah, just once, but that was for about 5 minutes. So it hasn't even been run in.
So it's got a brand new engine, pretty much. Well, the internals.
Well, the engine's not necessarily brand new.
The internals.
New rings, honed it.
Piston or?
No, piston is original.
Okay.
Okay, valves, reseated them again. Just all the basic top end, all top end.
All right. Well, let's see if the mighty Yamaha will start. But let's take it outside first.
I'm not going to guarantee. Now the fuel's probably a bit. I don't know how long it's been there, but we can give it a go. Is there fuel? You can't see anything.
Can't see shit. All right, let's take it outside.
Yeah, there seems to be fuel in there. I'm going to try. I just... Rambo in the 1980s movie had a similar model.
No, it was the exact model, but just...
Exact model, but he had the Speedo and his taco. They were square. Okay, and he had the grey colour, but virtually identical engines, identical frame, chassis. Everything.
Did we talk about what year this was? I don't know if I mentioned it.
This is a 1990.
1990.
1990.
So 33 years old.
33 years old. You want to come on the other side? See how this thing, if it starts, Josh, I'm not sure. The key, 33 years old there.
And it still hasn't snapped.
30 years old. Okay, here we go. I can't guarantee it's going to start. Oh God.
A lot of compression.
How hard this is?
Yeah. Oh, mate. Easy.
Listen to that. I still haven't run it in. Still hasn't been running. She's purring.
Yeah. Well, we got smoke. Why we got smoke?
Because it hasn't been run in yet. It hasn't been run in. It's all the paint, cooking, everything. Nothing beats the old stuff.
Yeah? Why's that?
Why is that? I'll tell you, you want to know why? This thing doesn't know what a PC is. Man.
You mean an ECU?
It doesn't know what an ECU is. It doesn't know what a body control module is. Right? It doesn't know.
What about, has this got traction control?
Traction control doesn't know what it is. ABS, it doesn't know what it is. All the bullshit of today, it doesn't know what it is, yeah? Plain and simple, mate. Pistons, conrod, crankshaft, carburetors.
Hold
That's
on.
all you want, mate.
Do you have to take the petrol tank off to get to the spark plug?
No. No fuel injectors, no nothing, mate. Right, everything accessible, easy to work on, reliable. Right, I would rely on one of these more than one of those piece of shits that you got. Right.
Mate, you've got one of the piece of shits there. Well, you got a Harley.
All electronic stuff, mate. I wouldn't trade with some of the old stuff. Yeah, honestly, I would not trade it.
It is dead
Far
reliable.
more reliable, right? And if they do give you problems, you can fix them on the spot. Not have to call someone or get it towed to get an ECU connected to it, right? Or some sort of scanning
What, they don't sell Yamaha scanners for these?
Yamaha scanners. This will start laughing, yeah?
Well, it doesn't have an OBD2 sensor.
You know where you connect the scanner on this? Where would you connect the scanner on this? Right? It just...
there is nowhere.
No, it's a great bike. A great bike. I've had this, like I said, for 30 years now. And I restored it one day. I just saw it lying in a shed there. Right, brought it back to original. This is the way it came out of the factory. I love it. And when I'm gone, Josh, I hope you have it, yeah?
Yeah, just put that in your will.
You take it, right? It's all yours, mate. Just don't sell it on me. Or don't sell it on yourself.
No, never.
Right, it's got a bit of 10 and 11 care in it that I put into it.
Alrighty, well.
Anyway, alright. And to Sylvester Stallone, I always wanted to ask why it sounded like a two-stroke, your bike.
Oh, yeah, they frickin'... I'll cut the clip in.
Got one word for it. Bullshit. Alright, bullshit. Don't tell me it had a 2-stroke engine, mate. You can hear it going down the street. Right, they're 4-stroke engines, mate. And you should have edited in the 4-stroke and put the real thing in.
I agree,
Anyway,
I agree.
Still a good movie. I love it.
Probably the best, your favourite movie, isn't it?
Best movie of all time. Rambo.
Alright guys, well, I'll get myself in the shot, but that concludes the 1990 XT250 restored edition.
We'll take it out, Josh, in another 5 years.
Yeah.
If I'm still around.
Alright, see you guys.